So the last day we are at here. So from now on we will start the existing part of the rational number series. So today we will mostly focus on the calculative questions pretty much. Okay. So this is all you know, that the rational numbers that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers like p by q are called as the rational number where q is not equals to 0. ठीक है, ये तो समझते ही इतना. ठीक है, और rational number यानी कि किसी भी fraction को rational number, all rational numbers can be expressed like a fractions. Okay, the fractions itself are also a rational number, and negative fraction which doesn't exist in nature or naturally, but they can also be expressed as the rational numbers. Okay, this is clear everyone? Any question? Okay, so the next slide. So we will do this sum, a little sum. So what it's saying, which of the following are rational numbers? The first of all is n. If you don't know what the n means, this type of n means n double dotted n. This is called as the set of all natural numbers. Okay, set का मतलब पता है? हाँ, okay. So the set of all natural numbers are denoted by this type of n. Okay, and the next one is 2 by 3, the third one is 4, and the fourth one is minus 1.5, and the fifth one is 7 by 0. We have to tell that which of the following are rational numbers. Okay, so you can do. Okay, I am calling you onto the board. Come, you come first. Just tick. Okay. Then, okay, go and sit. You come. If you think others are also right, you can tick. If you think that he has made any mistake, then you can cross only. Okay. Oh, he did correct. And what about the A and C?
Sir,
you can write it down.
Sir, A is set of all rational numbers, so it will be not rational.
So it won't be rational? No, okay. And 4, what about 4?
Sir, 4 does not have another number like
Another
number like numerator data.
Okay, so 4 doesn't have any denominator, so it's not a rational number. You are saying that, okay. And 2 by 3 is a rational number, okay, you can sit down. Okay, you can sit down. So the topic is that n is set of all natural numbers. So you are saying it's not rational, right? Okay, and what are you saying? Is n a set of natural numbers which is denoted by n is rational number or not? Okay, the last day I have discussed that all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers, all the integers are all rational numbers. So why today you are saying that n is not a rational number? What I have discussed the earlier day, that every natural number can be expressed as p by q form, just like 1 can be expressed as 1 by 1, 2 can be 2 by 2, 2 can be 2 by 1, just like this 525 also can be 525 by 1. Write it. Okay, these all are natural numbers which can be represented as the p by q form, which is a standard form of rational number. सभी natural numbers को हम rational numbers की तरह लिख सकते हैं, यही बात है. ठीक वैसे ही हम लोग whole numbers को भी लिख सकते हैं. Just like 0 can be written as 0 by 1, 5 can be written as 5 by 1. Okay, these all are also whole numbers. The same goes for the integers as well, like minus 1 by 1, minus 75 by 1. These are all negative integers. That means integers also can be written as p by q form. So they are rational numbers. So this n will be a rational number also. Okay, the next one is pretty much easy. 2 by 3 can also, 2 by 3 is written already in p by q form, so it will also be. The third one is 4. 4 is what? Tell me. Natural number and also a whole number. So 4 will also be a rational number. Okay, the fourth one is minus 1.5. It's maybe it will be a little bit different. Just like 1.4 can be expressed as 1.4. What we can do to remove the decimal? 15 by 10. Okay, 1.5 by 10, then we will omit the point itself. So that will be 15 by 10, and then we what can we do? Whatever comes in your mind. Okay, write it down. You say, huh? And the question, don't need to, yes, question also as you like. Okay. It can be reduced, it can be cancelled by dividing it with 5 both sides. So it can be divided by, if you divide it by 5, then it will be 3 by 2. So the answer will be minus 3 by 2. So it's a rational number itself. So it will also be a rational number. Okay, only the rational number won't be the E, the last one, because it's dividing a whole number or a natural number with 0, which can't be possible. Okay, because there doesn't exist a table of 0. Okay, and 0 maybe, and 0 is what? 0 is not a natural number, it's a whole number, and it's a broader concept. Okay, so just like this, you can see this. Yes, all natural numbers are rational numbers. What we have done? Just yes, all fractions are rational numbers. Yes, 4 is a natural number, and all natural numbers are rational numbers. D1 is, yes, this can also be expressed as p by q, and q is not equals to 0. Okay, here it will be not equals to. No, any p by q form of a rational number q should be not equals to 0. Okay, next slide. Acha, it's fun time. Read the question or write it down the question, and keep it short. Don't need to go like all the sentence and all that. Shubho ordered a pizza with 8 slices. He and his 3 friends decided to share it equally. How much of the pizza does each person get? Express your answer as a rational number. Okay, do it quickly. Don't need to write down the question, then just write the answer. Okay, quick. Read the question in the screen and do the sum in the paper. Quick. Don't need to write it down, just write the answer. Huh? Very easy one. Okay, just think it as a pizza. Okay, how many pieces are there? 8 pieces. Okay, so like a pizza has a 8 slices, it also has 8 slices. So we 3 friends have decided to what? To share it. Okay, so you got 2, you got 2, and I also got 2. Okay, and these 2 will be divided by 3. So what it will be? It will be, first of all, we have to divide it like this. Okay, that's it. This is the only correct answer, but it can also be expressed as the what? Decimal and also a improper fraction. I think maybe you both made the correct answer. Yes, you made it correct and you also made it correct. Okay, it is just a basic question. I have shown you with it a little visualization. Okay, so just like, oh, it's like misplaced, it will be 8 by 3. Okay, it's misplaced like 3 by 8. Okay, the next one is a student saves rupees 150 from their monthly allowance. If they save 1/3 of their allowance, how much is their total allowance will be? Okay, huh? Okay, so what it's saying, the total salary is, we have to find the total salary where the 1/3 of the salary we are saving. So what will be the total salary? Okay, do it quickly. We are saving 150 rupees. So it's the 3 by 1 of the salary. What? No. It won't be 50. If we are saving the 1/3 of a salary, okay, so what will be the total salary?
Can we take the salary as X?
Yes, X, but it would but that sum would be a little bit broader. We have to do is, what we can do is we just simply multiply 150 with 3. Okay, so then the answer will be 450. Say this. Okay, so then the answer will be 450. Got it? I think you have some problem with it. Got it? Easily. The next slide. Okay. It's the easiest method. If this question comes in the MCQ, we don't go like thoughting X or taking X as their whole salary, and this will be a broad question. So these are the little tricks which we will know in our further classes. Okay, especially in maths. Okay, so what are the positive and negative rational numbers? I'm making this pretty short. I think you guys know that what are the positive and negative rational numbers. What are these? I won't showing you the video because we're really short on time. So I am skipping this, and you can, these videos will be accessible like for in 2 days in all the apps. So I am not taking into the deeper. Okay. Okay, types of rational numbers. So what we have learned, all the types of the rational numbers, like natural numbers are also rational numbers, whole numbers are also rational numbers, integers along with the negative integers are also rational number, fractions and the negative fractions which doesn't exist are also rational numbers. Okay, so we can make a table and separate all the rational numbers into three types of numbers, just like positive rational, negative rational and zero. Okay, because zero is not a rational number. Okay, so okay, I am writing the numbers. You can tell me that whether it's a positive rational number, whether it's a negative rational number. Okay, tell me, what is this negative rational number? What is this positive rational number? What is this negative rational number? It's a negative fraction. Okay, and what is this? It will be only a zero. If I put one, open one, it will be a positive rational number, but if we write 0 0, this is not a number. Okay, because 0 doesn't have a value. It doesn't mean that if we put hundreds of zeros but we don't put a number upon them, so it won't represent any number. Okay, so 0 0 is not a number, but 1 0 0 a number, and it's a positive rational number. Okay, and so it will be positive, it's a negative, it's a negative, it's a positive, and 0 is also a rational number that is that can be expressed by 0 by 2, and it's a positive rational number. Okay. So the next slide, this is also a video, and I am skipping this currently. Okay. And okay, so you must remember the topic. What are the integers? Negative? What numbers? You?
Negative and positive and natural numbers.
Whole numbers. Yes, okay, negative numbers as well. Okay. Now, not negative, natural numbers can't be negative. So you have to say that all the positive and negative whole numbers can be can be told as the integers. Okay. Okay. So what are the integers? So I won't go to the video, but I am describing it like this. Okay, integers, the set of real numbers consisting of positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and 0, obviously, because 0 is also a whole number, are the integers, just like negative, just like positive. Okay, so then you tell me, what's this? This is a scale, and from where to where the scale starts? 0. So where do the negative integers will stand? Before it or after it? After it. If this is a scale and it's starting from like this, so from where the negative integers will lie? Show it. From where? Show it. Just like this. This side. You also think that? This side. After this. Before 0 or after 0? Before 0. Simply natural thing. You can think like this also as. Okay. If we take 0 in it, and so the all negative numbers will lie before 0. Okay, it's just a visualization. And where do we use the 0 or the negative numbers in our real life? Earlier day I told that. हिंदी में बोलिए. उधारी, जब उधार लेते हैं हम, तभी नेगेटिव नंबर्स की जरूरत पड़ती है हमें. उधार लेना या फिर उधारी होता है, मतलब बैंक में भी वो उधारी होता है जिसमें नेगेटिव नंबर की जरूरत पड़ती है. हाँ, उधार में और एक का एग्जांपल दिया था मैंने. सोचिए, इससे कुछ याद आता है? इससे कुछ याद आता है? एक और चीज़ का एग्जांपल दिया था मैंने जहाँ पर हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं या फिर नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. व्हाट टी से शुरू होता है. अरे टेम्परेचर यार. It's temperature. And why I am showing you this? Because there are liquids are pressed in the low temperature to put into this. Okay, so that's why I have given you a hint like this. Okay, the next one. The next one will be this is we have also discussed this in this natural number area. Okay. So now we will learn how we can add two rational numbers. Okay. So okay, let's see the video. I am keeping it a little bit paced. Okay, completed. Okay, the step 2. We are just 15 by 24 and 14 by 24. This step, they are just adding it. Okay, write it down. 15 by 24 plus 14 by 24. Write it down in copies. Oh, this one. Okay, write it down. Write it down, and I am explaining. You can. You also have a problem. No problem. Okay, so you don't need to. Okay, I am explaining it from again. Like from this slide. So where we have currently, we have two fractions, 4 by 5 and 9 by 5. So and what we have to do here, we have to add this. So we will just see the denominator. When the denominator is same, what we can do, draw a line, and in the down we will put the denominator because both are the same, and in the up we will add the two numbers, 9 plus 4, what, 13, and down there will be 5. Very simple. And this same process we will also do for the subtraction also. Okay, the next one, okay, see the next one is like subtraction also, but it has the negative fraction. So it will be also as the, it will also follow the addition rule. You can make it minus 5 by 8 minus 7 by 25, 4. We can also write like this, or you can follow the previous process like 8 and 24 can be LCM by what? 8 also. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So that 24 will be the LCM, and in down we can write 24. 3 5s are 3 into 5. 8 3s are 24, 3 5s are 15. Minus 24 ones are 24, 7 ones are 7. So 15 minus 7 by down 24, it will be 8 by 24. And what will be the last step? We can cancel it out with, by dividing it with 8. 1 by 3 will be the answer. Okay. So the here properties of the natural numbers overview. We have started it in the last day. Okay. So this is the just table. Here I will explain it like I have started with the closure property. What is closure property? If we plus, minus and into, if we do these operations with a rational numbers, with the rational numbers itself, so the answer will also be a rational number. So this is called the closure property. Okay, these all are called as the operations. Okay, in mathematics these are all called as operations. So this is called as the closure property. And what is common? Let's see this. Just like you can write it down, or can't give. You can show it in the app. It will show in the app. So we also have, there are so many videos you can easily accessible in the app. Okay, next we will do some, okay. See the definition and say it if you have any doubt. Any doubt? The closure property of rational numbers states that the sum, difference or product of any two rational numbers is also a rational number. Okay. Okay, you choose a rational number. Any. 4 by 5. And you choose a rational number. 3 by 6. 3 by 6. So we can check it here if it's true or not. First of all, is it true for if we add it? So it will be 39 by 30. If we multiply it, it will be 12 by 30. Okay, and if we subtract it, it will also be a rational number. It can be done by you too, or oh no, we can easily do this like this. 9 by 30 if we subtract it. So all the options are verified. So this is called the closure property. ठीक है, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को अगर मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ तो फिर आम के पेड़ में तो आम ही होगा, वैसे ही रैशनल नंबर के साथ अगर कोई रैशनल नंबर का कोई ऑपरेशन होगा तो एक रैशनल नंबर ही मिलेगा, लेकिन ये सभी पर अप्लाई नहीं होता, जैसे कि डिवीजन पर अप्लाई नहीं होता। क्यों नहीं होता? क्योंकि 0 एक रैशनल नंबर है, ठीक है, और 5 भी एक रैशनल नंबर है। अगर हम इन दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे, 5 को अगर 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 5 by 0। क्या ये इसका कोई आंसर है? नहीं है, इट डजंट हैव एनी आंसर। सो दैट्स वाई 5 by 0, so rational number doesn't apply, the closure property of rational number doesn't apply for divisions. Okay, the next one is, अच्छा क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी का और भी मतलब बहुत से मतलब क्या बताऊँ, मोड मतलब और भी बहुत से प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, वो भी मतलब देख सकते हैं। यही बात है। This property ensures that when we work with rational numbers, we stay within the set of rational numbers. We don't suddenly end up with a different type of number. यही बात है, मतलब कोई दूसरी तरीके का कोई नंबर हमें मिलता नहीं, इरेशनल नंबर्स नहीं मिलते, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स नहीं मिलते। ओके, इन सब नंबरों के बारे में आपने शायद अभी तक सुना नहीं, लेकिन आगे जाकर भी सुनते। तो ये मैं लिख भी देता हूँ थोड़ा, नॉट irrational not complex, ओके, और नॉट रियल। अभी आप लोग अभी तक आप लोगों ने नेचुरल नंबर पढ़ कर आए, होल नंबर पढ़ कर आए, इंटीजर्स पढ़ कर आए, आप रैशनल नंबर्स पढ़ रहे हो। इसके बाद में रियल नंबर आएगा, उसके बाद में इरेशनल आएगा, उसके बाद में कॉम्प्लेक्स भी आएगा। ये सब जब जितना आप ऊपर उठोगे सीढ़ी से मैथमेटिक्स में, इन सारे तरीके का नंबर्स बढ़ते जाएंगे। ठीक है, ये सब नंबर्स नहीं आते क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर। ओके, नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी। तो समझ में आ गया क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है। ठीक है, इसके बाद फ्रैक्शंस एंड इंटीजर्स आर दे रैशनल नंबर्स। बताइए वीडियो से, फ्रैक्शंस और इंटीजर्स दोनों ही रैशनल नंबर है, क्योंकि फ्रैक्शंस तो वैसे ही हम लोग p बाई क्यू के आकार में लिख सकते हैं, p बाई क्यू। ठीक है, और इंटीजर्स जो है वो तो रैशनल नंबर है ही, ये तो हम पढ़ते पढ़ते थक गए। ठीक है, उसके बाद अब देखिए यहाँ पर फ्रैक्शंस को ठीक जिस तरीके से मैंने आप लोगों को पिछले दिन फ्रैक्शंस दिखाए थे वैसे ही, जैसे कि ये देखिए एक बॉक्स में 4 में से 3 पर कलर किया हुआ है, तो ये कैसे होगा? जैसे कि अगर मैं इस पर एक सफ़ेद ब्लॉक्स ला दूँ, बिल्कुल यही चीज़ हो रहा है। तो ये हो गया 1 बटा क्या होगा 1 बाई 1/4। The total number of blocks are 4 and 1 is white blocks. So the fractional value of this white blocks will be 1/4. Okay, ठीक है। अगर हम इसे 2/2 में करें तो ये दिखे ऐसा दिखेगा। तो बताइए 2 क्या है? 2 white blocks, 2 white blocks and 2 black blocks and total 4 blocks. So it can be written as 2/4. अब देखिए व्हाइट के लिए भी 2/4, ब्लैक के लिए भी 2/4। तो क्या होगा? इसका वैल्यू होगा दोनों के लिए ही होगा 1/2, यानी कि दोनों ही सेम हो गया। ये होता है फ्रैक्शन का रियल लाइफ में यूज। ओके, नेक्स्ट पे जाओ। अच्छा, इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एथो एंड ये वाला एंड ये वाला a rational number? Show your work. Okay, so do it quickly. You both. The question is minus, no, don't need to write down the questions. 5 by 8 and 4 by 15. It's a pretty easy one.
Is this same rule that we have to take the LCM?
No. LCM is applied for the sum and difference. In multiplication, we can easily do the multiplication or use cancellation as the process. Okay. So, minus 1 by 6. What can we do? We can cancel 8 with 4 and 5 with 3. So, and 1 will remain. Huh? Minus? In down? No. No, minus 1 by 6 will be the answer. Minus 5 by 8 and 4 by 15. Minus 1 by 6. What you have done?
No, sir, because the minus 5 multiplied by
No. We are cancelling 15 with 5. The minus remains the same. Okay. What we forget every time when we use cancellation, that we don't write the 1. There is only minus 1 and there is 1. And if we multiply them, there will be minus 1. And the down there will be 3 into 2 is 6. What we can do, we can easily multiply it. Like 5 with 4, it will become 20, and 15 with 8 can become 120. It's the easiest one. We don't need to do cancellation. But in last step, we have to do cancellation. 20, we can easily remember the table of the 20. Okay. Huh?
This is a cancelled minus 5.
This is also right. This is also right. Okay, but don't need to write it in the down. Yes. Write it before the fraction starts. Okay. The next one. Okay, there are videos with the commutative properties, but what you can do, you all can write down the homework. Okay, you all write down the homework, and that's the all. Is it visible? Is it visible enough? It's, guys, it's visible.